In September last year, a supermarket was ordered to pay £500,000 in fines after mouse droppings were found in the food at the back of the store. Many of you, when visiting the supermarkets, will not think about the state of the back of the store and whether it is mice or rat infested, but if you see pictures like this one, you might be quite shocked at the state of the storeroom from which your food comes from. The directors of this particular supermarket in Smethwick were prosecuted for the infestation and dangerous shelving following non-compliance with enforcement notices. The supermarket director pleaded guilty to offences under the Food and Hygiene Regulations of 2013 and the Health and Safety at Work Act of 1974. However, the senior manager pleaded not guilty to offences under the Food Safety Hygiene Regulations, but was convicted after a trial in the Crown Court. The successful prosecution at Wolverhampton Crown Court was led by Sandwell Council's environmental health team. Ultimately, upon the guilty verdicts, the supermarket was ordered to pay £60,000 for food safety offences and £480,000 for health and safety offences, plus the costs of over £16,000. So stories like this one might make you a little bit more aware of the state of the premises from which you're buying your food and then you're going to put on your table. If you haven't noticed, we're back here on Easy Chinese Cooking because this is a food-related video and we're trying to boost the watch hours. So please make sure you like and subscribe, share this with somebody, maybe watch it again to help boost our watch hours. And of course, thank you for watching.